How to see someone close friends list on Instagram. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to see someone close friends list in Instagram. After you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, now tap on this, as you can see now, settings and privacy. After you open the settings and privacy, scroll to down and tap on this where it says close friends. Here is it, close friends. After you open this close friends, as you can see now in this section, now you can be able to see, as you can see now, here is the option. Now you can be able to select your own close friends, but you can't be able to see someone close friends on Instagram if just he shared his Instagram story with only his close friends. For now, there is no any official button from Instagram to see someone close friends when he shared only his story with his close friends on Instagram. That's it guys, the solution for you. There is no option to see someone close friends list in Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.